What's the meaning of businesslike? Businesslike. Businesslike.
Businesslike. Businesslike. The term businesslike is an adjective that refers to a person or an organization that operates in a professional and efficient manner, similar to the way businesses typically conduct themselves. It suggests traits such as practicality, focus on results, attention to detail, and a willingness to adapt and innovate to achieve goals. When someone or something is described as businesslike, it implies that they are serious about accomplishing their objectives and conducting themselves in a manner that is consistent with achieving success. In essence, being businesslike means being goal-oriented, efficient, and effective in one's actions and decisions.